remember your words? Do you remember the first one? Tristan, do you remember it? Go ahead.
I, A, D, go, can.
Good for you. Go ahead.
I, A, D, go, can.
Nice.
I, E, D, go, can.
Nice for you. So we do.
Only a strong member must not go. Every done before which work very safe.
I truly believe in the connection of movement and helping kids, and it helps the brain to learn more efficiently. It can be pretty boring for kids to learn these high frequency words, and you could sit and do flashcard after flashcard. You know, kids are going to be looking all around. Now kids are going to be able to hop and jump and move all over. So I'm really excited about this, as the staff members are.
The kids have enjoyed the number counting that we're doing right now. The kids, and every time we're up and down the halls, I mean, we walk down the halls 3 or 4 times a day. From the bathrooms, we give bathrooms 3 times a day, and then we're off to recess, and then we're off to lunch. And each time the kids are looking down, taking a look at it, stepping, counting. So it's nice because now it gives me that, you know, we're moving so many times during the day, and getting a chance to teach as we go is very convenient.
I didn't see any concerns at all with putting the mats down. I see that as an opportunity for kids to have fun and learn something else in a different way. So I really wasn't concerned about it, but the custodians would typically be concerned about cleaning it. What happens if it gets torn and I have to pull it up? Is that going to create more work for me? I didn't get any pushback at all from my custodial staff, so I'm not really concerned about that. We've cleaned it for the last week, every day, a couple times a day, and they clean up very well. So there's no problem with that at this point. They seem to be holding up well. Any scuff marks that are on there come right off. So I think we're pretty happy with it, and it's exciting to be part of this program. It's
going to be motivating for them when they see other kids jumping on there and learning these words. They're going to want to try to do it too. And so I'm hoping that they're going to pick up those words more quickly. And if you see them every single day and you're hopping on them every single day, it's going to help the brain get that in there and put it in the right place so that when kids want to retrieve it, they're able to read that word. So we're very excited about it.
Nice for you. So do you want to do the other 2?
Yes.
No, it's too hard for you though. You
I can do it.
Come on, try. I don't know if you can.
Me too.
Can I do it first?
Yeah.
Come on down. Ready? Come on down. Ready? You guys listen with me. Ready?